Hi, I'm Ricardo.
Hi, I'm Natasha.
Welcome to Tips, a show about traveling, internships, professional programs, study groups, students, and education in general. Today we're talking about things to take into account when international students want to start a business in Australia. What do you think are the top tips, Natasha?
So I think, one of my old profession is as a lawyer. So I would say just from a legal point of view, make sure you have the things around immigration, visas, all that. You do it within those parameters, so don't overstep there. That's just a cautious approach. In terms of actual business advice, I would look at what's your comparative advantage. If you're coming from your home country, you're bringing in a certain way of looking at the world, a cultural lens, things that are working in your home country that may not be in Australia yet, particularly from a technology point of view. Those are your advantages. Those are the things you already bring. No one needs to teach you that. When you're thinking of business ideas, is there anything that can come from that pool of knowledge? I think you naturally have an advantage there.
Yeah, okay. I came as an international student, and I think one of the things you need to start looking is, yes, apart from working on the idea of the business, is start to do the practical things like, how am I going to get paid? How can I open the bank account? Do I need an ABN? How can I become a sole trader? All these things that are applicable to Australia, for example, are really important. So start researching in conjunction to working and progressing on your business idea.
That's right, yeah. And Australia has, just in terms of the ease of starting business on the index, we're pretty good. There's normally one or two places in terms of government departments or websites you can go and find all this information out, and you can submit a document and get an answer pretty quickly. So definitely you got to, dot those I's and cross those T's. And as an international student, your visa, be very careful on that front. Don't mess with that. But then on the second front, in terms of ideation, look for the advantages you have. Yeah.
Yep. And I think as an international student, if you're at university or a college or TAFE, I think there's always these social clubs and cultural clubs that you can join. And I'm sure there's going to be something related to entrepreneurship or business owners. So try to join those groups. They're normally for free. Or try to join meetups and get together with other people, just bounce ideas and get to know how they're doing things. Because it varies from country to country how to start a business. And as you said, even governments sometimes have grants, or they have some units that help international students with their ideas. So I think there's a lot of tools that you can take into account and consider, because they will help you through the journey.
Yes, as an international student, when I came, I knew one person in Australia. That was my entire network. So we have to start from scratch. So on top of, as sort of carrying off with what you said, Ricardo, it is building your networks, putting yourself in situations with other internationals, but particularly in an Australian context, in an Australian industry, Australian entrepreneurs, Australian startup founders. Go and talk to them.
Yes, exactly. Okay, to close the episode, what are the top tips?
So don't mess with the visa. Get all the legal stuff right, number one.
Yep.
2, look for the advantages you bring from your home experiences.
Yes.
And 3, get out and network and be confident networking.
Yep. And look for the different options and tools that your institution offers, that the government offers. So there's options, so look for them.
Absolutely.
Perfect. So if you want to follow me or connect with me on LinkedIn, I'm Ricardo Gutierrez, Innovator Diaries Podcast and Betsy Accommodation Solutions.
And I am Natasha Manasinghe, CEO of Frank.io. We're an education organization, and our mission is to make sure we give you the skills and equip you for jobs of the future.